Welcome to True Love's Natural Beauty, where I grow hair, and you know it. Now, today we have my beautiful client, Mary, today. She's full of that good aura, that good energy. We are in the process of taking out her last braids for her wash and condition, and then next, she is getting some medium-sized box braids with curls on the ends. Now, this video is going to take you through the full steps from beginning to end. Now, if you like what you see, leave me a comment, like, share, and please subscribe so that you can get more videos just like this. Okay? Now, take a look at her beautiful hair. Look at that shrinkage. Okay? I'm blowing out her hair with my Babyliss blow dryer. And you can see the shrinkage on her hair, how long it really is. Like, our hair is amazing how much it curls up. And then when you straighten it out, how long it really is. And that length is lengthened, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. All right. You see it. So take a look at this video. You're going to see me parting. You're going to see me adding the braids in. I'm going to be speeding it up a little bit, slowing it down, some slow motions. I might come back and say little words. I don't know. We're going to see what's up. Just stick with me, y'all. Okay, so if y'all want to follow me on other social media platforms, you can look me up at True Love's Natural Beauty, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, all over. Follow me, like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, y'all. All right, I'm out again. Need to work smarter, not harder. As y'all can see here, I like to do pre-parting. So sometimes I pre-part the entire head, and I'll go ahead and do that, and it does make it faster. But sometimes I don't feel like doing the whole head, and I'll just pre-part that row. So that's what I'm doing this time. I'm just pre-parting the row out and sectioning it off, so I don't have to do that. But a lot of times I'll do that to the whole head at one time, so all I have to do is go back and braid. But I didn't feel like doing that this time. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so all my braiders know about that middle part. This is the part where you gotta be precise, when you gotta take your time. You cannot mess up, because you don't want your client walking around with a cricket part. That's just like a no-no. So don't worry, I'm gonna go stand in front of her. I'm like left-handed, so my eyes are weird. So how I gotta stand to get my part together is just strange. But I'm gonna go around to the front as well to get her part together, y'all. So yeah, I just had to comment about that middle part. Like, who feels me on that? All my braiders, comment if you feel me about that middle part section, and how you basically got to go all the way out to the parking lot and take your comb to go all the way up the top of that head to the back to make sure it's perfect. Because it would irk your nerves if you finish that last braid and then you look at her in the mirror and you see that thing is off centered. It's just not cool. It's not cool at all. Yeah. Let's continue. Ooh, this is where I get excited, y'all. When I start to put them rods on ends of them braids and dip it in that teapot, I know I'm almost done. And I know I can rest my feet, rest my back, and rest my fingers. So yeah, now we're about to experience my So Lovely hair growth oil. This oil is a powerhouse. I made it myself in-house. There you go. I have been perfecting this formula for over 4 years now. My clients love it. If you like what you see, DM me and we can discuss your purchase and shipping today. Now, this oil has castor oil, olive oil, peppermint oil, eucalyptus, rosemary, vertebrate roots, and more. It is essential in your hair care routine because these ingredients has been shown to stimulate the scalp and to promote hair growth by going directly to the follicles. It also has amethyst crystal chips in it for your crown chakra energy. If you know, you know. If you don't know, look it up. You don't need a lot of that oil. A little bit goes a long way. It's potent, so I prefer adding it to your nighttime ritual of hair care. And you will see hair growth. Be sure to check the ingredients for any allergies. But I'm telling you, massage it in your hair. My client right here has been using this hair oil and she's been about 14 and she is now 17. Okay, I do her mother, her grandmother, sister's hair as well, and they keep coming to purchase this oil. So if you like this oil, tell me you want to purchase it and I'll ship it right to you. So now y'all see me doing these edges. I'm getting her edges together with the swoops with the fluffy edges. You want some dramatic fluffy edges. Me, I'm not a girl who don't like edges. I love the fluffy edges. I love the baby hairs. I love putting designs, even hearts in my edges. I'm dramatic and extra, okay? So if you don't like edges, I'm sorry, but we over here, True Natural Beauty, we gonna do some edges sometimes, okay? So y'all continue to watch this video. If you like what you see, if you like the video, like I said, like, subscribe, comment, and please share the video. Thank you. Have a good one. Until next time.